Okay, from the Sherland ISD homepage, locate the email link at the top of this black bar. Select email. Great. So from here, you may already see your email address right along this bar. If you don't, select use other account. But if your email address is already there, go ahead and click it. For this, I'm going to select another account. And there's my email address. And my password is already in place. Now, if this is your computer that only you are using, then go ahead and select stay signed in. If not, if this is a public computer or this is a computer you don't normally log into, select no. I'm going to select no. Now this will bring you to the Microsoft 365 homepage, where you have all your web apps on the left, and you can install a version of Microsoft Office from here as well, if you click on the Install Apps button. But today we're focused on email, so head to the Outlook link, and you are there.